Welcome to Unit 8, Day 3, where we're still talking about proportions. In this particular lesson, we're talking about proportions in real-world problems. Okay, and there is one key to make sure that when you set up these problems, you want to make sure that you have the same things on top as you do on bottom. Okay, so the key is to make each fraction the same on top and bottom. Looking at this first question, I have highlighted important information for you. You might not know what a nautical mile is. A nautical mile is when you're at sea, in a boat, in a ship, a yacht, a cruise. Okay? So we're trying to find out, we have 100 nautical miles, and that equals 115 standard miles. To the nearest mile, how far in standard miles is 156 nautical miles? So what we've identified in this particular question, this 100 represents nautical miles. And the 156, if you look, also represents nautical miles. Just want to make sure that you have the same things on top. In this particular question, we have nautical on top and nautical on top in both fractions. And on bottom, we have standard miles. The 115 represents standard. And so does D, which we are trying to find standard miles. So what you've been learning, how to solve proportions, you're going to go ahead and cross multiply and see what it gets you. Now we have 100D is equal to 17,940. What you've learned already, divide by 100 and divide by 100. D is equal to 179.4. So the answer is, how far in standard miles? So we have 179.4 standard miles. Looking at the second question on the second page, it says Spencer earns $80 in 7 hours. So he has worked 7 hours and got paid $80. At that rate, how long will it take her to earn $240? So we want to make sure when we go to set up our proportion, we know that we have a fraction on one side and a fraction on the other side. I'm going to go ahead and put the dollars on top and the hours on bottom. So just filling in the given information, what we know already, I see $80 and $240. It doesn't matter where you put them. So $80 and $240. We do want to make sure that the 80 goes with the 7. So 80 and 7 must go together. 80 and 7 must go together. We are trying to find X hours with the $240 that Spencer has earned. So go ahead and cross multiply. 80x is equal to 7 times 240, which is 1,680. Solving for x, you must divide by 80 and divide by 80. So x is equal to 21. So she has to work 21 hours to earn $240. Okay. Moving on, I'll do one more. I'll assume that you guys don't like the decimal ones. So we'll go, Evelyn found M&Ms on sale, 4 packs for $1.01. How many packs of M&Ms could she buy if she could spend $16.16? Oh, I see a few things. I see packs and I see some dollars. It's okay for this question for the dollars to be on bottom. I'll put packs on top. As long as in both fractions, fraction 1 and fraction 2, you stay consistent, packs on top, dollars on bottom. So, given information, we have 4 packs, and that is $1.01. And we have 16 $8.16, and we are trying to find XPEX. I will let you guys go ahead and solve those along with question 2 and 3. Any questions, please holler. Bye-bye.